Alright guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of requesting changes to your website. Your website includes a content management system, which means you can make a lot of the changes yourself, but there are going to be some changes that you may not be able to make on your own because of the way your site is set up, or changes you don't want to make on your own because you might not want to mess with things and cause problems, or just times when you want us to make the change for you. So your plan includes a basic maintenance plan where you're able to request up to 10 changes per month through us um, with no charge. So it's all included in your plan. So as you get little things you want to change, you can use this system to request it. It's a very easy to use system, and it's very fast and works good on both ends. So first thing you want to do is log into your website. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Whenever you're logged in, you're going to see this bar on top of your website that shows your website name and different things, options to add new pages and users and edit page and things like that. If you look over to the far right from these options, you'll see something that says client changes. From there, you want to go down to where you see add a change to this page. You click on that, and it's going to bring up a quick little walkthrough and tell you what to do. It's going to say website change update. It'll tell you the total number of changes remaining on your website. Right now you have 10 changes remaining for the month. Like I said, you get 10 free changes every month um, with your particular maintenance plan. So um, as you use more and more, this number is going to obviously go down. And it's going to walk you through the quick process. It's going to tell you what to do. All you have to do really, you don't even have to read this. You just go to where you see the green button that says choose what you want to change. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you back to your website. Now you'll see this big red circle following your mouser arrow there. All you do is whatever you want to change, you look for it on your website. Say, for example, you want to change, say you want to change, I don't know, what would you want to change? I don't know. Say you want to change the logo for whatever reason. You want to click on the logo. It's going to pop up here. It's going to tell you describe the change you want to make. You want to put here, I want to change the logo size to 200 by 300. Just putting anything random. And then you have the option, if you have different images you want to say you want to change the logo completely in this particular instance, you can attach the image of the new logo here by clicking browse. If you have a bunch of different pictures, you can click add another and just add more and more pictures, whatever you're adding. Say you have a gallery you want to put up or whatever you want to add up, you can use these options to add it. And then you click preview request, and it's going to show you pretty much what you said. I want to change this logo size to blah blah blah. If you had uploaded any files, it would show you what files you uploaded, and then all you need to do is click send request. And once you see that box up there, now it's going to have your request in there. The particular color of it right now, you can't really see it too good, but if you scroll over, you'll see your request right there. If you change your mind and say you figure out how to change the logo yourself, or you change your mind about changing the logo, you can just go back to here, click edit, and you can just delete it. As you can see now, it's updated automatically. You have 9 out of 10 changes remaining, and say you want to delete it, you just click delete, click OK, and it's gone. So now you'll see that should correct the number back to you should still have 10 out of 10 now. See, there you have it. Pretty simple, very easy way to request changes to your site. Again, if you have any questions, oh, you know what? One more thing I forgot. There is a minor issue with this particular option working with the browser of Google Chrome. So if you're going to be using this option whenever you need to request a change, which you should be using that option because, like I said, it's easier for us to use to understand what changes you want to make, and we can make them much quicker. So you do need to use that option whenever you want to make changes. Just make sure that you're not using the web browser Google Chrome, because there's a small issue with that particular option and how it looks on Google Chrome when you have videos on your site. If you don't have any videos on your site, it doesn't matter. But if you have YouTube videos on your site, I'll show you what the problem is. I'll go to Google Chrome here real quick. And when you click on this particular option to add a change to this page, you'll see that everything shows up behind the video. This is the issue with Google Chrome in general, with Google Chrome and YouTube in general. I guess when they update Google Chrome, they should correct this issue, but it's not really a problem with the option. It's a problem with Google Chrome working with YouTube. So it's nothing that we can do anything about. Just make sure you use if you're using this option, just download Firefox. It's a free browser, a free web browser. You can go to Google and type in Firefox and just download it for free. Or you can download Safari if you're on a Mac, or Internet Explorer, if you're on a PC. But the best one for this particular option would be Firefox. You're not going to find a better one. So just so you're aware, if you happen to have Google Chrome, or if you happen to notice this kind of an issue when you're trying to make changes, it's because you're on Google Chrome. So that's the gist of it. But other than that, the option works great, and it allows us to make changes to your site very quickly once we receive that. So just like I said, whenever you want to make changes, use that option to request changes to your site.